Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make my soft Meadows granny square. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, the slip stitch, single crochet stitch, double crochet stitch, triple crochet stitch, and how to make the puff stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. Starting from the very beginning, you're going to need to make a circle and it's going to turn into a square. I have a playlist on how to make circles, a bunch of different tutorials, and I will have that listed down below. To start row 1, you're going to pick your favorite way to make a circle. I am starting with 4 chains. I'm going to slip stitch into the farthest chain from my hook to make my center circle space. Once you have your circle, make 3 chains, and then you're going to make 11 double crochet into your center circle space. Once you have those 11 double crochet made, you're going to slip stitch into the first chains that you made in this row to complete row 1. To start row 2, you're going to bring in your new color, make a slip knot, and you're going to attach that new yarn to any previous stitch. Now you're going to make 2 chains. Into the same stitch that you made these 2 chains, you're going to make a puff stitch. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook into that stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook back into that stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through. Yarn over your hook, insert your hook back into that stitch, grab that yarn, pull it through, pulling up a loop. You'll have done that 3 times. Now you're going to yarn over and take that through all of the loops to complete that puff stitch. Now you're going to make 1 chain. Now you're going to make a puff stitch into the next stitch and then make a chain to secure it. You're going to repeat that, make a puff stitch into the next stitch and then make a chain to secure it. And you're going to repeat this all the way around, making a puff stitch into each stitch and then making a chain to secure that puff stitch all the way around until you have 12 puff stitches made. So I have my 12 puff stitches made, 1 into each stitch, and then a chain to secure each of them. Now once you reach the beginning of this row where you made these chains, you're going to slip stitch into those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 2 is looking. To start row 3, bring in your new yarn, make a slip knot, and then you can attach that new yarn to any previous chain 1 space. And then make 4 chains. Now you're going to skip to the next chain space, so skipping over a puff stitch into this next chain space, you're going to make a single crochet. Now we're going to get into our sequence, make 3 chains. To skip the next stitch into the next chain space, make a single crochet. Now you're going to repeat that, make 3 chains, skip any stitch into the next chain space, make a single crochet, make 3 chains, skip any stitch into the next chain space, single crochet. That's how everything is looking so far. You're going to start repeating this sequence all the way around until you reach the chains that you made in this row. Once you make it all the way around and you have reached these chains that you made at the beginning of this row, you're going to slip stitch into the top of those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 3 is looking. To start row 4, bring in your new color, make a slip knot, and you can attach this to any previous chain space. Then you're going to make 2 chains. Into this same chain space, make 3 double crochet. Then make 1 chain and make 1 single crochet into this same chain space with everything else you had just made. Now we're going to move to the next chain space where you're going to make a single crochet and make a chain. Now we're going to start repeating from these 3 double crochet. Make 3 double crochet into this chain space. Then make a chain and a single crochet. Then move to the next chain space, make a single crochet and a chain. Then make 3 double crochet into that same chain space. Then make a chain and a single crochet. So all together in these spaces, we're making single crochets, chain 1, 3 double crochet, chain 1, and a single crochet. So that's everything in this space together. You're going to start repeating this sequence all the way around until you reach these chains at the beginning of your row. When you make it all the way around to the chains that you made at the beginning of this row, you're going to slip stitch into those chains to complete this row. And that's how row 4 is looking. To start row 5, bring in your new color, make a slip knot, and you're going to attach it to any previous middle double crochet of the sets of 3 that we were making. So if you look at our last row, in these chain spaces, we made a single crochet, chain, 3 double crochet, chain, single crochet. So this middle double crochet of this set of 3, any of them, you're going to attach your yarn and make 4 chains. Now row 5 is where we're going to take this circle that we've been making and turn it into a square. You're going to make 2 triple crochet stitches into this same stitch where you made your chains. Now you're going to make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Then make 3 triple crochets into this same stitch with all of this you had just made. And that's going to be our first corner. Now we're going to get into our first side. Make 1 chain to skip to the next middle double crochet of a set of previous 3, so it's going to be this stitch right here. Work 3 double crochet into that stitch. Make a chain, and you're going to do the same thing. Skip to the next middle crochet of a set of 3. Into this stitch, make 3 double crochet. And then make a chain. We're ready to make our next corner. Into this middle double crochet over here, we're skipping over here to this one. Make 3 triple crochet. Make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3, and then make 3 triple crochet into this same stitch. So that is how everything is looking. You can see our corners and our first side. We're going to start repeating from this chain right here. Make 1 chain, skip to the next middle double crochet and make 3 double crochet. Make a chain, skip to the next middle double crochet and make 3 double crochet. Make a chain, skip to the next middle double crochet and make 3 triple crochet. We're at our next corner. Make 3 chains, make 3 triple crochet into that same stitch. Make a chain to start our next side, skip to this next middle double crochet and make 3 double crochet. Make a chain to skip to the next middle double crochet, make 3 double crochet into that stitch. Make a chain to skip to the next middle double crochet. We're at our next side, so make 3 triple crochet into that stitch. We're on our last side, make a chain to skip to the next middle double crochet, make 3 double crochet into that stitch. Make a chain to skip to the next middle double crochet, make 3 double crochet into that stitch. Make a chain to skip to these first chains that you made at the beginning of this row, and to the top of those first chains, make a slip stitch to complete this row. And that's how row 5 is looking. And that is going to be how to make my soft Meadows granny square. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at Crochet Me Lovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here and have a great day.